2023 Ford F-150. This pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. Additionally, you'll be more than pleased with extra features like these: lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, turbocharged engine, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless entry. Stop by the showroom for a test drive.